All right, so guys, again, if you have access to the course, please go to the last chapter and try to follow what I'm doing here because I got a signal, another signal. I'm trading on Quotex, as you can see. I'm trading on Quotex, and I believe that, yeah, I believe that, yeah, this one is going 100% is going down. So and we are having a red candle. So if my prediction is right, so I opened a down position. I'm using the same strategy explained in the course. The same thing I use on IQ option. I'm using here. The same thing I'm trading on the pocket option on the on Olympic trade. I'm using here. So same rules. Don't worry. I'm using the parabolic SAR, the Bollinger Bands, and the RSI. Everything about these indicators, everything about the way I trade, how I use the indicators is explained in the course in the description below. So I invite you to go take a look at the course, and hopefully you will be able. Sorry. Great. The first win on this signal. So I believe that we still have more. So more signals. Again, we are expecting a downtrend here, and yeah. All right, so guys, I can't explain exactly how the strategy is working. If you want to learn the strategy, just go to the course, try to learn everything because the course is more than 3 hours. I can't explain everything on a smart or on a trading session, a live trading session. But if you want to know my secrets, I just invite you to go and take a look at yeah, the course. Yeah, this one another win. So as you can see, guys, I'm making. So just wait. I'm investing $500. This one is 100% going down, and yeah. So I had this. I had three red candles. This was based. Yeah, yeah. We had he. So guys, I'm investing $500. Don't worry about everything here. Once you learn from the strategy, I advise you to try to learn the strategy from the course, and you will understand what I'm doing here. So I'm investing $500. I'm trading on Euro USD. I'm taking with me 82%. Yeah, 82%. So, and I'm predicting here that this one is going down. All right, and by that I open a down position or sell position or short position. Everyone like how they like call it. Amazing. Let's open. Yeah. Also, this one is going up, right? This one is going up. This one, this one similar. This one, especially this one, especially this one. So yeah, the market here is giving me signals. How I predict the signals, I will explain it in the course in the description below. I can't explain everything about the strategy here, so I invite you to go and take a look at the course. Yeah, go take a look at the course. Try to learn my trading strategy, and I guarantee you that no one is perfect, and no one will make profit from trading if they don't learn by themselves. I never trust those who try to give you signals, to try to sell you signals or mentorship. if you want to trade and make profits, yeah, if you want to trade and make profits on trading binary option, guys, you need to generate your own signals. All right, you need to generate your own signals. You don't need to depend on anybody else. So yeah, a green one. This one is going to be a green one. This candle is going to be a green candle, trust me. So as I was saying, you don't need to you don't need any signals from anybody else. All right, you don't need no one to guide you. You don't need no mentors. All that you need is yourself, and you need to keep trading by yourself, generating your own signals by learning. So try to learn, keep learning as max as you can, because most of those trying to sell you signals are scammers. So be careful. And remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. I'm not giving you any financial advices. Anything I'm doing here is I'm sharing my trading sessions live for you and for free. All right, those live sessions are for entertainment purposes only. Okay, yeah, we just had another signal. I guess we will have the next two candles. I guess perhaps the next two candles. Yeah, let's see. This one is going to be, it's going down. Sorry, it's going up. And yeah, all right, so it's going to be a red candle, and I'm 100% sure that sorry, it's going down. So, I don't remember if I said it's going down or it's going up, but yeah, it's going down. So I chose here this position here is called short position. Some people call it short position here. Short position. This one is called long position. All right, when I click long, I mean that I predict that the market is going up, and when I click down here or short, I'm saying that I'm predicting that the market is going down. If my prediction is right and the market went down, like in this case, I'm making, as you can see, $410. Yeah, $410. So I will stop here. Yeah,